Hello, boss.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah,
Okay, so you saw the video in there?
yeah, I saw the video.
Okay, so can you please introduce yourself?
This is Inder. I'm interested in a startup and I like to start my own startup.
Adi sir, please introduce yourself.
Currently, and I'm
Sorry, sir, your voice is not clear.
audible now.
Quite better. Hello.
Adi sir, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, it's breaking actually too much.
In there, can you please turn off your mic?
Okay, sure.
Okay, Hadi sir, can you hear us? Okay, Anshu, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, good evening. Uh, Actually, I'm an auditor, hygiene auditor of various companies, industries, and as well as Zomato and Swiggy, which you're introducing. So yeah, and I'm also interested in startup. So here I am.
Okay, Hadi sir, please
Yes,
introduce yourself.
yeah, my name is Haripati, and I'm right now in Mumbai, and I'm working in my own startup right now, which is mainly into laboratory and scientific equipments. So I am basically an instrumentation engineer, and I have around 10 years of experience into sales and marketing of analytical and laboratory equipments and various other industrial equipments. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, so myself, Parichun Mukherjee, I'm from Kolkata, and right now I'm pursuing BBA at Entrepreneurship from ILIT College, and I would like to start my own company. Thank you. Okay, so Hadi sir, can you please give a brief intro about Zomato?
Yeah, so Zomato is basically a food app where you can online food by sitting at home. No need to visit a restaurant or anything. So it is just like initially when Zomato started, the main competitor was like Food Panda. So Food Panda, as I know, it's a German company, Food Panda, and later on Zomato was introduced, and there such uh,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
whatever using Wi-Fi.
Hello.
Where your voice is breaking.
Just be able to
Again
listen
breaking.
better. Yeah, I'm saying if you can turn off video, you might be
Okay.
able to listen better. Yeah. Now is it
Okay.
audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Voice.
Audible.
Yeah. So
Yeah, audible.
yes. So I'm saying regarding Zomato. When Zomato was started at that time, Food Panda was.
Sir,
It's
again it's breaking. We can't hear anything.
that is breaking badly, sir.
I
I think there's a network
believe
issue
when
on your side.
Okay, Anshu, can you please give a brief intro about Zomato?
Yeah. Actually, it's all about online delivery. service, since we all know that people nowadays always like they are moving into the world of something which can be generated online. Okay, so we are seeing a digital world. So it was so Zomato actually introduced something where we can provide the delivery service online. So they did this, and they are moving like they are expanding the business by taking over many companies as well, so that they can start with them, and they can move into a better revenue, gross revenue. So people can they are just hiring the delivery boys, and they are providing the service. So then don't own any bike or something. Just have a delivery boy which uh, which who are having their personal bikes, and they're providing the service. So and they are taking 20%, 27% or 23% plus GST for their service, and the rest of them, the deducted part is going to the restaurant owner. So it's all about the services.
Okay, in that, please give a brief intro about Zomato.
Boss, I go with Ansu. Same.
Yeah, one more thing I wanted to introduce. They are also providing hygiene audits, like dining services, dining audits, so that they can show the hygiene part to the customers that they are the restaurants are actually following the hygiene. So they are doing it with Equinox Labs, which is a company in Mumbai. So from there, the auditors visit the particular restaurants and they do the audits, and they provide the hygiene rating on the app. That's all.
Okay, in that, why do you think Zomato transformed its name
Yeah.
from Foodie to Zomato? Because at first its name was Foodie. So why do you think it changed its name to Zomato?
Uh, it's very simple, I think. Just because of the actually in as video they shown that they need a kind of chatpata name. Just because of that they changed the name. But yeah, there are so many reasons we can say. A shorter name is better. And the Zomato is I think it's universal name. It's not relate any caste and any religious kind of that. So for that, a unique name. Is there any other reason?
Well, I think you see the
Hello.
name Foodie.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I can hear
think
you.
the name Foodie is more or less matching with the name eBay, the online
Yeah,
store,
yeah,
eBay.
exactly,
So I
exactly.
think that
Yeah,
must
yeah.
be one of
It's
the reasons.
e-commerce. Yeah,
Foodie and eBay
yeah,
both sound very
yeah,
same,
exactly,
so they
exactly,
decided to change it. What do you think, Anshu?
exactly. Maybe this is yeah, maybe this is the main reason I think.
Yeah. Hey, Anshu, what do you think?
There are
And so your
combined
voice is
reasons
not audible.
in this. Like the first you said, hello, hello, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah, you're audible.
yeah, I can hear you.
Actually, I'm saying there are combined reasons for this. Since the Foodie Bay was a long, like it's really a word which it's really long. The character, there are much characters than Zomato actually has. And the second reason, from Food Panda and eBay, they combined it and made it Foodie Bay. Okay, so they wanted to invent something of their own and wanted to attract the customers towards themselves. So that's why they thought of something like foods. Like already said on the video that potato, tomato actually it's related to the foods only. Zomato actually bridged that. Okay, so that's why I think they.
Okay, so
Hello,
Anshu,
Ansu.
uh, what do you think is more popular in India, Swiggy
Yeah.
or Zomato?
Uh,
Hello, Ansu. Hello. Hello, Ansu. Can you hear us?
Wait. Actually, there
Okay,
was
I
some
think
issue. Can you
see.
hear me?
Yeah,
Hello,
we
can
can
you
hear
Yeah,
hear me?
you.
now I can hear you.
Yeah, sorry, there
Yeah.
was some issue. Okay, so we were saying about Zomato and Swiggy, right? So people actually,
No, which one is more popular?
which one is more popular? Swiggy is actually more popular than Zomato, but Zomato are pushing so that they can grab the attention of the customers. So now, uh, since 1 year, I think Zomato has grabbed their attention. But before one
Yeah,
year,
absolutely.
since last 6 months, Swiggy was higher in their
Leading.
revenues.
Yeah, leading in the segment.
And they were leading, but now Zomato actually they are making a lot of changes in themselves. Even they had taken over a lot of companies as well. We have already got the view from the video. So yeah, now Zomato is actually, I think, after some years or after some months, we will see that Swiggy, and in between Swiggy and Zomato, Swiggy we can't even see our half of Zomato.
Okay, in there, what do you
Yeah,
think?
exactly. Yeah. Which is more popular? Hello?
Your voice is breaking.
I'm not able to. Yeah, okay. Now it's audible.
Yeah, audible.
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, it's audible.
Yeah,
You can say.
actually, just because of just because of Swiggy started the food delivery online first in I think India. So definitely Swiggy is more popular. People know that food delivery is Swiggy, but for that Swiggy is so behind. I mean, so back to Zomato, and now Zomato is leading in this. So now exactly now Zomato is more popular than Swiggy nowadays. Hello.
Okay, so yeah. So how do you think the idea of Zomato came to the founder's mind? The founder was Dipender Goyal. So how do you think the idea came?
Actually, I know Zomato history. First, they were only restaurant founder, and after that, they started home delivery. Actually, now we know Zomato just because of home delivery, online order, but actually, they were restaurant founders
No,
at
they
very
were not.
beginning.
They were founders, but what I am asking is how did the idea strike their mind?
No, exactly, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, Anshu, what do you think?
Yeah. Can you repeat your question? I didn't hear you.
Yes?
Can you repeat your question? I didn't hear you.
Yeah, the question was how do you think the idea of starting Zomato strike the founder's mind? I mean, how did they came up with the
See,
idea?
okay, according to me, see, Swiggy was already there before Zomato, right? So, and Food Partner was also there. So, they thought to make, like, we always think of something updation, na? Like they will have to provide something more which is not present right now. There are many companies have the same genre, but they are making, they are providing more services. Okay, so that's why I think that both of them thought to cross the revenue. I mean, the business of Swiggy or Foodpanda. That is my point of view.
So you think it's a copycat of Swiggy?
Not see, if we are thinking to make a better restaurant, that doesn't mean that I'm a copycat. Actually, they are thinking to make something. They are making. They are thinking to provide the country or to the world a better part, which is not available right now. So we always think something like, if there is oats, they made masala oats later, right? So that is updation. That doesn't mean they copied oats or they copied something else. So yeah, they are not copycat, but they are providing. They have thought to make a better company.
Okay, so in there, my question to you is, do you think a startup can
Yeah,
copy the business model of another established startup and become successful?
Okay, you mean to say startup? Actually, you mean is there any successful company
No,
and
what I mean
anyone
is a
can
business is
start
trying
that
to copy
company
the
like
business
same?
model of another startup. So do you think they would be successful by just copying?
Okay. Startup means it's own startup. I mean,
Own
just
startup.
he copying that is already startup or it's a
No, actually,
successful
he is
business
saying that
model.
they
What
are
is?
only
It's
copying the
totally new
model,
startup
business model. They're copying the business model, but they are doing their
or
own startup.
Yes, exactly.
नहीं मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि जो एक्चुअली जो copy किया जा रहा है बिजनेस आइडिया वो किसी बिजनेस मॉडल का कॉपी किया जा रहा है या ऑलरेडी कोई लाइक स्टार्टअप है जो अभी नया है वो खुद सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ है और उसको कॉपी किया जा रहा है लाइक अभी
हाँ हाँ
पेटीएम तो
हाँ।
अभी सक्सेसफुल
नहीं, एक
मान
एस्टेब्लिश
सकते हैं
बिजनेस
जो
मॉडल का
जोमेटो
कॉपी
भी
किया जा
एक्चुअली
रहा
अभी
है।
सक्सेसफुल नहीं है मतलब जो ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल है राइट
Yeah,
हेलो
Yes, yes.
हाँ so
yeah,
it's
yeah.
very easy actually if they are giving effort and they have good marketing strategy they have good skill team so they can succeed if they have market they have good skill team and that good I mean if they can manage they can very easy nothing rocket science kind of that
Actually, people are taking over some companies which is already leading. Actually, it depends on the people who are taking the company. It doesn't depend on the company
yeah
that
exactly
how it will work.
exactly yeah yeah there are
Okay, so
definitely some geographically economically benefits
Yeah, but actually the people
its
are
effect on
running
market
it.
yeah
Yeah, so they are the
but yeah but it's maximum yeah but it's maximum yeah if in that particularly area where already a successful business is there if where we have to capture that business then we
in the
have better
start.
red code better I mean better
Yeah,
I think he should need technology also and a good skill team and good motivation and all that thing he have to be like he born for that kind of desire if he have he can
sure. Okay, so why do you think
yes
many
Aditya.
people of this generation are ambitious of doing their own startup, want to build their own startup? Most people, I guess.
Yeah, because everyone motivating our Vishal sir, everybody motivating that you should start your own startup. So definitely everyone getting motivated.
So
So
why
they
do you
are
think entrepreneurship
starting.
is so high in today's generation? The concept of entrepreneurship.
So high means
I mean, it's very popular. जैसे
very
startup करो,
tough.
अपना कुछ startup करो, 9 to 5 job नहीं करना, freedom चाहिए, independence चाहिए. So why do you think this
We-
concept is so high?
I want to say something on this.
Okay, because everyone want money, everyone want fame. Just for that, everyone want a kind of fame. So that's it. This is the enough reason.
I want to say something
BMW.
on this. See, basically, am also a direct, I mean, entrepreneur. Like, if you're aware of direct selling companies, I am a part of Amway. Okay, so on
You're a
in
part
that
of
Amway Enterprises Private
Amway,
Limited.
network
Yeah,
marketing. Yes.
yeah. So it's a network marketing. So you like if we are aware of this, that our prime minister is also. I mean, I'm talking about Modi ji. So he is also referring each and every youth to do a part in the network marketing thing. That they have to do a, if they are willing to do a startup, they can do it. But if they have something in their face, that they have a better company, so they can make a startup of their own. Just they need to build an organization. Okay, so there is a part of there is a CEO of Niti Aayog, Amitabh Kant. Okay, so he actually says that there are youth who are leading in this, like they can do the entrepreneurship, and that's why our India will be actually crossing the, like always know that India is backwards with different digital market and in everything. Okay, but if the youth actually turn their motive, okay, so they can make India a really super power. So yeah, entrepreneurship is really getting high so that we can get new things, new builds, and new uh, what we say, telecoms or new ideas. So actually, youth have these things now. People in the previous cities have their devices or they have that kind of communication, but now it's everything available to them. They can make both. It's really interesting and interesting.
Okay, so I guess that's it for today. We are running out of time. So thank you for joining in this thing, and Anshu, thank you for joining. Goodbye and good night.
Good night.
Okay, so it's just for half an hour. Today
Yeah,
discussion.
half an hour.
Okay, I would like to tell you something.
Yeah, sure.
What do you think actually? Zomato is successful, or what they actual where is Zomato right now?
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, I'm asking that what do you think about Zomato? Is successful, or it's on the way, or what can be the future of this?
Yeah, it is successful, of course.
It is successful.
Yeah, of course it's
You
successful.
mean
It
it's
is
in?
an unicorn startup.
Yeah, you mean it's in profit, right?
It is?
If any startup getting funding, it's mean not that any startup it is successful. If any startup making profit, then it's successful. What do you think?
Yeah, of
What the
course. In order
definition
to be
of
successful, you
profit?
have to make profit.
Yeah. So for your kind information, Zomato is now 100 rupees minus on per order. Do you know this?
No.
Yeah. Zomato is now per order 100 rupees in minus. They are in loss per order 100 rupees.
So why do you think it is so? Why do you think it is running in loss?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello,
In there. Can you hear
I
me?
think
Hello. Actually, voice is not coming.
Yeah, I was asking you, why do you think it is running in loss?
yeah, we can hear you.
Actually, I'm saying you from the data that it's in loss, and I can say I can tell you the so many reasons why this is in loss. Okay,
Tell those, no?
yeah, sure, why not? Okay, I think I should start from the glitch. Do you know how many glitch in Zomato right now?
How many?
Glitch, glitch,
Glitch.
glitch. Yeah.
Glitch,
No.
glitch.
Okay. If any restaurant is partnered with Zomato, if any customer cancel the order, okay, suppose you order 800 rupees food and now you thought that I should cancel the order. I'll order from Swiggy or maybe any reason can be right. So actually Zomato is paying that 860%. Like if your order is 100 rupees, then Zomato will pay 60 rupees that restaurant. Okay, got it. If he make the food or doesn't make the food. If you ordered and you cancel the order, Zomato will pay the 60% of order amount. Hello?
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you.
Yeah. And I think, did you order for any time from Zomato? Did you order from Zomato?
Yeah, yeah. Several times.
And I hope you canceled at least one order.
I don't remember canceling anything right for now.
Okay,
But
actually
I
you
have
didn't
ordered.
cancel. But yeah. Yeah, but you just take this data, just collect this data. So many people canceling the order. Okay. Second thing is there is one there technical actually the proper cyber there are cyber glitch. That is, have you heard about Game Guardian?
About?
Game Guardian.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, this is the application. With the help of this application, you can order from Zomato. Okay, if suppose there is a your total billing amount is like 900, you can edit that to rupees 3 rupees. You can do it. Okay, maybe there is so many videos in YouTube you will get. but your phone should be rooted. So these are the big glitch in Zomato. Okay, so many people are ordering. Can you imagine? If your total billing amount is 900 and you edit just 300, if your billing amount is 500, you edited it rupees 5, whatever you want, rupees 1. Okay, now come to another thing. Yeah, actually, the main thing is the Zomato is just because of loss. That is, Zomato and the food business is in loss. Actually, there are so many reasons. So many. I mean, people when found now, then any person started business in Zomato, started home delivery from his home, and he is now successful, and he have so many orders. Okay, hello. So
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah,
all
yeah.
yeah.
people start. Yeah, so all people started doing this. So many people. If there is, I'm saying you this from the uh, genuine data. Okay. And if you have any if any doubt on my data, you can ask me. I will explain you. Okay. If any like if 100 restaurant owner went to Zomato and they listed their business that we want to business with Zomato. Okay. It's same. It's same with Swiggy. Okay. Not only Zomato. What happened? That the 70% are totally new. They are the normal like a home person, and there's so many female from there. And there's some people they started the business. You don't know actually. You will know in future. You will see at your home, near to your home. You will see is there any roll corner. Every time the owner of this roll corner is changing after 6 months and 3 months, after 1 year. Have you noticed this thing? Have you noticed?
No.
Okay, you will now just notice from this time, you will be able to see any like biryani shop. They are just changing their owner. Okay, just see the new shop which is open. They are every time they will change their owner because the business is not a simple thing. People should be know that how should business. Okay, they should be make a actually market. For making market, business need time for 1 year and like 2 years. Okay, and you have to maintain that quality. For that you should have at least minimum money, or you have to be your like you can't afford any labor, otherwise you have to be staff, otherwise you have to be bear so many loss. So for that actually 70% business shut down after 3 months, 3 to 4 months. People going to Zomato and they shut down. So what actually Zomato doing? What actually Zomato losing here? They're losing their customer because they are not able to uh, provide that much better quality. Those who are the totally new startup, they are starting new business, and they are even not able to give a best rate. They don't know how to make a rate chart. They're just doing okay. This is the my costing. I should okay give that. If they are making, they are taking huge profit. If suppose they are making egg chowmein, okay, so the cost is coming to 60 rupees, and they are putting it on Zomato 120 rupees or 160 rupees, and 160 rupees means like chowmein type of outlet. Their chowmein is much better than world class. They're giving the price of their like compared to their. Okay, and then the customer order, they don't like this. They're giving the rating. They I mean they're giving thumbs up down, so they are not getting that much order, so they have to be turned off. They have to shut down their businesses. Are you listening me, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Hello.
we are listening. We are listening.
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, so for that they have to be actually they are actually shutting down their business. And one thing is, just because of Zomato seeing, oh, so many restaurants are coming to me to onboard us, they are actually increasing their team. Okay, and like if there is a actually here is one interesting thing. Okay, leave, I will tell you this later. Suppose if any restaurant comes, there is so many different team, like finance team, they will update their account details. There is a menu editing team, they will just update their menu editing. And the location team, phone number, email address, so many things. Yeah, their GPS location. Okay, they have to coordinate. There should be a team, they will teach them the how to order accept. Then if any order cancel, they teach them all. Okay, so they are doing with those people who are totally new, even they are started their own businesses. Okay, so this is the main reason of failure, and the one most big is one of them. That is actually, this model is now not successful. That Indian economy is not that much strong that people can afford food from the online. They don't have that much time because people here are, they are doing nothing. They are just chilling out. Okay, so sometimes they ordered, but it's not necessary and kind of that. Suppose if like if and yeah, one more actually first thing that I didn't close, that is Zomato should only tie up with those restaurants those already are successful. They are already providing a better quality. And one more thing is the restaurant owner is never taking that much profit. Suppose if a food cost is 50 rupees, then they are giving this costing a, like 100 rupees. So 25 is going to the 50 rupees is raw material. If you are not providing a raw material of 50 rupees, if you are putting a costing of 100 rupees, it means people will not going to buy that. I'm just saying the most of the most common restaurants. I'm just saying the most common restaurant in the Zomato.
Actually, they
Now in
should do the
Zomato, I think,
verification.
sorry.
They should do the verification of which who are coming to them. They should do that.
Yeah, yeah, that's actually come later. But before that, actually, I'm just saying I'm like this in Zomato now. I think 60,000 restaurant in Kolkata. Okay, so there if 10,000 and 8,000 restaurant, if you will took, then they're doing this thing. If they've like any kind of thing, if you are taking the chow mein, if the price is 100 rupees, then they have to be apply a 50 rupees raw material, including gas and ingredients and that thing, that kind of thing. Okay, and the rest of 25 is going to labor cost charge and that all, and that 25 is the profit. And what Zomato doing, if we will deliver your food, you have to give us 27%. Actually it's going to 28%. 21% is their commission, their percentage, then commission and charge is going to 23%, then 18% GST. It's coming to 27.18%. Okay, and then it later it goes to
27.
approximate 30%. Take it. So suppose if any restaurant is they are just booking their profit for 25%, and Zomato they are taking 30%. Not Zomato, actually the online ordering system. So actually basically what happened now, even they are making loss. Okay, I'm not just talking just few big bulls in the market. I'm not talking about that like Arslan and those. Actually they don't care even if the 25% 30% goes. They actually they, I mean, just for service, they are all with on Zomato and Swiggy, this kind of thing. Okay. So the main thing is this. So how the people will afford this, and how they, I mean, those who are the partner, they are even not surviving. Okay. This is the main thing. Yeah. Some of the surviving, no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Some are in profit, very less, 1%, I think. 99% are in less loss. Okay, and the Swiggy is now going to backward. The reason is Swiggy follows so many protocols. Okay, if suppose if you are the owner of restaurant, you went to Swiggy and you say I want to onboard my restaurant, then they will take minimum 15 days. Zomato taking 7 days just because of so many restaurant is now with Zomato. Okay, and if you are a delivery boy, it's quite similar, but Swiggy takes too much time. They have so many protocols. They will give you training, these so many rules and that kind of thing. Zomato is better because they are executing things in very quick manner. But yeah, the thing is they are just partnering with that kind of restaurant. They are not even successful. Later they have to be support them, like technical support if order cancel. So many there are customer service. If they are taking the customer service, they have to be like pay like 10 rupees or 15 rupees per call. And so many restaurant owners calling to Swiggy customer care and Zomato call customer, they are losing their money there. And the second thing is Swiggy taking 3,500 for onboarding because they have to pay. They have third party onboarding like NetMBit. So they gave them tender to onboard with us so many restaurant, and we will give you per outlet 3,500. So now they reduce this 3,500 to 2,500, but they're taking from last 3 years onboarding charges. So this is the very and one more thing is in that even the business model is not successful. They are taking the photographer. Okay, they are taking the money from, like if any photographer will come and any auditor will come. Yeah, these all are actually mandatory. These are useful if there is a successful business. So for that is better. But like if someone started totally new, they're giving Photoshop for that. Like actually they have a big confusing team. And for if you are doing if you have a startup, you should have a perfect team. Those they are not sleeping all time. They should have a they should have at least best team. They should at least shortlist. But in Zomato, so many people are joining as their area manager and kind of what they also there are the post. I think you know area manager, sales manager, so many things. Ansu is not here actually. Yeah, hello. I thought you listening me?
Yeah, listening.
Preeti, you? Do you? Okay, she is not.
Okay,
So-
in there, one thing, I guess we are running out of time. So tomorrow you join, tomorrow we will discuss because it's already 10:45. We are supposed to end at 10:30.
Okay, so as you think, no problem. So tomorrow will be the same topic like Swiggy and Zomato. I like Zomato.
No, tomorrow we could do another case study.
Okay, so I would like to. I like you should comment. You should comment something. I told you so many things. Did you agree
I
with that?
think one of the reason,
I was
one more
agree.
reason maybe because of the pandemic. Because during pandemic, people
Oh,
had
oh
stopped by.
no. Don't say. In pandemic, Zomato delivered 9 crore order in 3 months. 9 crore. I have that screenshot. If you want me to, I can share with you. 9 crore order in 3 months, all India. In lockdown, they came to near profit. I'm not talking about after that's the first 3 months, but I'm saying the first 3 months. They're very close to they were just 1 rupees or 2 rupees per order loss after that 9 crore, but now they are 100 rupees loss per order.
Okay.
They reduced their team
You know
after
a lot.
lockdown. So many things are there. Yeah.
Yes,
So did you
as
agree with
well
all
as,
that point or you didn't?
yes, as well as Zomato is very helpful in the lockdown for many people.
Actually not audible properly. Quickly. Hello?
Hello, now I'm audible.
Yeah, quite better.
Okay. I was saying that yeah, Zomato is very helpful also in lockdown for many people for
Yeah,
delivering
exactly.
their stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why it's very close to profit in lockdown. They delivered 9 crore orders. It's a really big deal. 9 crore orders. Can you think, Aritro? If they put it 2 rupees per order, their whole team will be in profit. Like if that, yeah, but it's not possible actually totally. Yeah, but they finally delivered 9 crore order. They were very close to profit, but finally they are in loss per order 100 rupees. And so many topics to discuss, but okay, it's today very late night. We will discuss it tomorrow.
Of course. Nice to meet you in there. You are
Yeah,
a
you
very
too, bro.
knowledgeable person, I guess.
Yeah,
Everyone
yeah,
is.
nothing to knowledge actually.
No, you know a
Yeah,
lot
everyone
about
has.
startups. I could learn a lot from you.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
so
you.
bye.
If it
Tomorrow we will
compliment,
meet
I
again.
accept it. Yeah, yeah, bye. Okay, okay. Hello, Arithro.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Yeah.
What you
Say.
said to me, yeah, you just said to me. Please transfer it to Vishal sir. Okay, please. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
तारीफ चाहिए.
Okay. Bye. Good night. हाँ
Okay.
थोड़ा फूंक मार देना, थोड़ा बड़ा चढ़ा के मार देना.
अच्छा. क्यों विशाल सर प्रमोशन देगा क्या? प्रमोशन
अरे
चाहिए
वैसा
क्या?
बात नहीं, मैं चाहता हूँ कि सर प्रमोशन नहीं, बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि सर की नजर में थोड़ा बहुत रिस्पेक्ट रहे मेरा भी, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay.
प्रीति,
अरे
you saying
रेस्पेक्ट तो
something?
बढ़ेगा, लेकिन मेरे बोलने से कुछ नहीं बढ़ेगा. तुम बोलो सर को, तुम दिखाओ ये तुम
अरे
कितना
मैं तो
नॉलेजेबल हो, ऐसे तो रेस्पेक्ट
भाई
बढ़ेगा.
सर के सामने
मेरे को ट्रस्ट क्यों करेगा
तो
सर?
तुम बस बोल देना ना, बाकी काम कोई मौका मिलेगा तो मैं कर दूंगा. और ये क्या बोलते हैं, सर के सामने
ठीक
तो
है.
मेरा बोलते ही बंद हो जाता है भाई. तो इंग्लिश तो मेरा बंद ही हो जाता है, हिंदी में बात करना पड़ता है.
ठीक है,
ठीक
बोल
है,
दूंगा.
चलो कल मिलते हैं. गुड नाइट
श्योर
गाइस.
या गुड नाइट.
Good night, all of you. Bye-bye.
या गुड नाइट.